Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 8 and now we want to present our final project about database, and then in this project we create about laundry business and then we name it Space Wash. Okay, next. Before we presented our project, we want to introduce ourselves. The first, my name is Muhammad Rehan Ramadan, and then my friend Mutia Sharifah Zulmar, and then Amar Muhammad Zikra, and then Anissa Putri Ardelia. Perkenalannya nggak kalian aja nggak sih? Aku bilang next tuh kalian yang mengenalkan diri sendiri. Masa aku yang kenalin
Iya,
diri?
bukannya gitu ya.
Udah, ulang lagi.
Ya, tuh kalau aku bilang next berarti Amar, habis itu Mutia, habis itu Nisa ya. Oke. Ulang dari awal.
Ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 8, and then we want to present our final project about database, and then in this final project we create about laundry business, and then we name it Space Wash. Before we presented our material, we want to introduce ourselves. The first, my name is Muhammad Raihan Ramadan, and then my friend.
My name is Mutia Sharifah Zulmar.
And then my friend.
Introduce, my name is Amar Muhammad Zikra.
And
then
my name is Anissa Putri Ardelia.
Okay, thank you. Next, our business name is Space Wash. It's a business that provides laundry service, and it's not only limited to clothes, of course, with various attractive packages. Our business located in Jalan Muhammad Hatta, number 92. And then our business owned in December 1st, 2001. And then we have a number phone for our business, 085296305779. And then we also have email that spacewash 2020 underscore gmail.com. And then we have also situs or link spacewash www.double.com. And then we next to business background. Business background will be presented by Amar. For Amar, time is yours.
Okay, thank you to Rehan. I'll try to explain about our business background. For business background, our business background is Space was began to be established since the establishment of various type of laundries that exist today, and the exact time since November 5, 2019. Has been running its business by starting with a small laundry business. Until now, it has been quite developed. This is developed is supported by the surrounding environmental condition that support it because space was stand in the area around the campus, which incidentally the area is mostly filled with the students, so it is very appropriate marketing target to develop this business. Next. And the next, I try to explain about definition of database. Database is database, or also known as a database, is collection of data that is managed in such a way based on certain internet provision to make it easier to manage. In bahasa, database adalah suatu proses yang bisa mengumpulkan semua data-data yang awalnya terpisah-pisah dan dikumpulkan menjadi satu sehingga data-data tersebut bisa dibaca dengan sangat baik dan jelas, dan untuk mempermudah dari user untuk melihat data yang diperlukan atau data yang dibutuhkan dari user. The next. The next is database software. Database software consists of the first is MySQL, and next Microsoft SQL server, and next Oracle, and the next is Sybase, and next SAP HANA, and next is IBM DB2, and next MongoDB, and the last is PostgreSQL. Next. The next, I want to try the explain the definition of the item from database. The item of database consists of, the first is primary key. Primary key is a value in the database that is unique and useful for identifying a table. In bahasa, primary key adalah suatu alat dari database yang digunakan untuk menunjukkan atau mengidentifikasi suatu data secara lebih jelas, dan sifat dari primary key sendiri adalah unik. The next is query. Query is to display a specific data required by the user. In bahasa, query adalah suatu alat dari database yang digunakan untuk melihat secara jelas atau melihat spesialis khusus dari suatu data. Misalnya seorang user ingin melihat data perempuan di atas umur sekian-sekian, dan ini menggunakan query. Kita menggunakan query untuk melihat data tersebut. And the next is relationship. Relationship is one of the tool in the database that is useful for linking various main table. In bahasa, relationship adalah suatu alat dari database atau tools dari database yang digunakan untuk mengconnect dari semua data-data atau tabel-tabel utama yang ada dalam database, sehingga menjadi kumpulan data yang utuh dalam suatu tabel, namanya tabel penghubung. And the next is there is a table. Table is database tool used to store data and represent data. Yaitu ya, as you know, the table is suatu alat database yang digunakan untuk melihat data atau melist data-data tersebut sehingga data-data yang diperlukan dari user itu bisa dilihat dengan jelas, secara rapi dan terurut. The next is report. Report is an object used to represent data or report data. Its meaning in bahasa is report adalah suatu alat dari database yang digunakan untuk sebagai pelaporan, sehingga dalam laporan ini jelas, misalnya data untuk customer itu dilaporkan berapa data-data dari customer itu dijelaskan dalam report. And the next is form. Form is more complete over database that is useful for linking various main tables. Maksud di sini adalah form adalah suatu kumpulan dari data-data yang tadi dihubungkan melalui relationship, dan nanti data-data dari relationship ini akan bisa dilihat dari sini. Di data-datanya per orang, misalnya per customer, data customer dihubungkan. Jadi di sana dijelaskan customernya apa, customernya itu, dan customernya melakukan apa, melakukan ini, dia akan dijelaskan secara jelas di relationship di form ini, di form alat dari database ini. The next. I want to talking about business activity. Our business activity. The first is providing laundry service to customer with various type of other washing service. And in bahasa kami di sini business activities kami yang pertama itu adalah memberikan jasa kepada customer berupa jasa cuci pakaian, seperti yang sudah diketahui dari judul dari nama perusahaan kami. And the next is providing various type of service needed by customers, such as laundry service, wedding dress, shoes, and other. And next, and the third is providing more knowledge about various type of detergent and the ingredient according to consumer needs. In bahasa, I want to try. In bahasa, bisnis activity kami ini bergerak itu menjalankan usaha jasa cuci, atau yang biasa saudara ketahui tentang jasa cuci itu laundry adalah bergerak dalam usaha cuci baju dan cuci pakaian, atau cuci baju, cuci pakaian. Tapi dalam bisnis laundry kami tidak hanya sebatas dari cuci pakaian saja, tapi di sini juga kami menyediakan berbagai servis lain. Servis lainnya seperti wedding dress, baby clothes, and shoes, and other. Dan di sini kami akan memisahkannya dari pakaian-pakaian yang biasa, karena di sini ada beberapa ketentuan sendiri terhadap pakaian-pakaian yang kami khususkan, seperti wedding dress, shoes, and bags. Itu memiliki ketentuan khusus dalam hal pencucian pakaiannya, pembersihan dari barang tersebut. Jadi tidak asal-asal dalam membersihkannya. Selanjutnya juga kami di sini dari bergerak usaha ini kami mendapatkan pengetahuan lebih tentang hal deterjen dan cara merawat dari suatu barang. Jadi kami bisa memahami dari bahan-bahan yang diperlukan dari pakaian atau barang-barang yang ingin dibersihkan. Jadi kami tidak asal memilih ingredient yang bisa merusak dari barang-barang customer. Yang itu sangat kami jaga keutuhan dan kenyamanan dari customer kami. Karena itu merupakan salah satu hal yang paling important bagi kami. Next. The next material, talking about our explanation. That explanation I will try explain by Rehan.
Okay, thank you for your
Rehan,
explanation, Amar. Yeah, thank you for your explanation about the definition that consists our database. And then the next material will be presented with myself. Okay, we want to talk about the table of customers. Table of customers that we create in this database. It's function to represent it and to collect our customer data. For example, like we have many fields in our table of customer because many information from customer we need to record in our database. For example, like number, customer ID, customer name, gender, address, status, and birth of date. And then we have email also and phone number. And then next. Okay, we also have the table of staff. Why we need to have table of staff? Because we need to record information from our staff. For example, like in our table of staff, we have like number, staff code, staff name, and gender, status, and job desk. We spread our job desk from our staff. Like you can see that we have a washer, courier, and we have like sorter, we have dryer and packages. Because that we need to record our information from our staff in the one table for our staff. And then next. We next to the table of delivery. We create we also provide the delivery service for our customer because that we need to record information from our customer who apply delivery service in the one table because that we create the table of delivery that consists of fields like delivery number, customer ID, customer current name, distance, and delivery price from the distance customers. Okay, next. Next, we have a table of service laundry. For your information, that we spread. We have two tables from our service. We have a table of service laundry. It means it generally service laundry. Like for example, like only cleaning laundry, complete laundry, and dry cleaning laundry. That have code like cleaning laundry have code like BC02. That price per 1 kilogram, it's 4,000 rupiah. And then next. For Mutia, can you next the slide? Like BC01, and then we I'm sorry, the price in our PPT it's not, you cannot see, but in our database it's already you can see that because we add after that. Okay, that next. We for the special service laundry, we have baby clothes laundry. You can see that we have laundry service code. We have laundry service name, and then what the difference, because we spread our table because we can determine the detergent what we use, like pure baby laundry liquid for baby, and then the treatment for our service, and then the price of our package. Next. On that, okay, we next to the table of bags laundry. It's same like the baby clothes laundry. We different in detergent and then the treatment and then the price of the surface laundry, kind of surface laundry. Next. Okay, we have a table of shoes laundry. It seems like the bags and baby clothes laundry. We different in detergent, the treatment, and the price. Okay, next. We have a table of laundry wedding dress. It seems like the three of table in the past. We have like detergent, different in detergent and the treatment and price of the surface laundry. Okay, next. Next, we have revenue. It means we can record everything, the transaction in our business. For example, like we have everything the customer data, and then we have the everything about the laundry service data or information. Next. Okay, this is the relationship. To create the database, we need to create the relation between the table or main table, and then we call that penghubung table. For example, in our project, we have a main table like customer, staff, delivery, special laundry service, and laundry service. And then we have a table penghubung, it's receive. In the main table, we need to create primary key because that it's different between the table in between table in our database. In our main data table, in our main table database. Okay, next. Okay, for a query will be presented by Mutia. Time is yours.
Okay, I will explain about query. Query is the language used to instruct the system to display data in database system. Besides being able to be used to access and display data in the database, queries can also be used to make data interact with each other. Like the example, we have special birthday discount query, special birthday discount. In this query, we give discount to people that born on Independence Day, that is 17 August. And then we have a query, company's birthday discount. We give discount to those who do laundry on December 1st because it's our company's birthday. And then we have query child support. We give bonus to our employees who are married and have children. And the last, we have query cashback for Cartoonist Day. We give cashback to women born on Cartoonist Days, which is April 21st. And that's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you for Mutia Sharifah Zulmar about your explanation. To affirm will be presented by Anissa Putri Ardelia. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. I will explain about form. Form is a view that show data as a whole or to receive user input. Form can also be interpreted as a UI, user interface that is used by the user as a medium for managing that data in the database. Okay, next. As you can see, we have from customer, from bags laundry, laundry service, baby clothes laundry, and other. Okay, next. The next material is report. Report is a database, the format result of database queries and contain useful data for decision making and analysis. Most good business application contain a built-in reporting tool. This is simply a front-end interface that calls or runs back-end database queries that are formatted for easy application use. As you can see, we have report customer, delivery report, laundry service, and receive report. In our project, we don't use the background because I'm afraid it won't be obvious to read. But if you want to add background, you can click the format and choose the background what you want. Okay, next.
Okay, it's enough, Anissa. It's enough. Okay, that's all about our presentation. But Mutia, can you back to the our query in give discount in 1 December? Next. I'm sorry, I think back again. Okay, I think we create the something mistake because the explanation we give discount of those who do laundry on December. It means we nggak jadi sih, nggak jadi. Anjing. Betul mah, udah oke. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for you all guys, and then